Cooking pasta is one of those simple joys of home cooking, but it can often turn into a frustrating experience. Whether it's boiling over, trying to pour hot pasta into a colander, or dealing with a mess when draining, it's easy to see why many people dread the task. That's where this Cooler Concepts stainless steel pasta pot with locking strainer lid comes in. A game-changing solution to all of your pasta cooking struggles. This pot is designed with convenience, ease, and performance in mind, making it the perfect kitchen companion for pasta lovers. Why choose the Cooler Concepts stainless steel pasta pot? If you're looking for a better way to cook pasta and simplify your kitchen routine, the Cooler Concepts stainless steel pasta pot with locking strainer lid is a must-have. Here's why. Innovative twist and lock strainer lid. Effortlessly drain pasta without the need for a colander or strainer basket. Large 5.5 quart capacity. Perfect for cooking large batches of pasta, soups, stews, and more. Consistent perfect pasta. The tight-fitting lid locks in steam, ensuring evenly cooked al dente pasta every time. Multi-purpose. Use it for pasta, soups, stews, and any dish that requires a reliable large pot. Durable stainless steel. Built to last and resistant to rust, stains, and odors. Dishwasher safe. Easy to clean, making meal prep and cleanup faster and more convenient. The standout feature of the Cooler Concepts pasta pot is its innovative built-in locking strainer lid. Gone are the days of wrestling with hot, heavy colanders or strainer baskets. Instead, the pot's lid features a unique twist and lock mechanism that allows you to drain your pasta with ease and confidence. Simply twist the lid to lock it into place, pour out the water, and voila! No mess, no burns, and no hassle. This feature is a true game changer for anyone who has ever tried to balance a hot pot, a colander, and a steaming pot of pasta. Whether you're preparing spaghetti, rigatoni, or any other type of pasta, the twist and lock lid makes draining a breeze and eliminates the need for additional kitchen tools. The 5.5 quart capacity of this pasta pot is large enough to handle big batches of pasta, making it ideal for family dinners, meal prep, or even gatherings with friends. Whether you're making spaghetti for a crowd or cooking a hearty soup for the family, the spacious design ensures you have plenty of room to cook without worrying about overflow. This large capacity is perfect for cooking pasta of all shapes and sizes. From delicate angel hair to thick, hearty orecchiette, the Cooler Concepts pasta pot offers ample space for whatever your recipe calls for. Plus, it's big enough to allow your pasta to cook evenly, reducing the chances of clumping or uneven texture. One of the biggest challenges when cooking pasta is ensuring that it's cooked just right. Overcooking can lead to mushy noodles, while undercooking results in an unpleasant, chewy texture. The Cooler Concepts pasta pot has you covered. Its tight-fitting lid traps steam, allowing the heat to circulate evenly around your pasta. This ensures that every bite is perfectly cooked and al dente, just as it should be. While this pot is designed with pasta in mind, it's incredibly versatile and can be used for much more than just spaghetti and macaroni. The Cooler Concepts pasta pot doubles as a soup pot, stock pot, or even a large cooking pot for vegetables, stews, or boiling potatoes. The 5.5 quart size is just right for preparing large quantities of soups, broths, or anything that requires simmering for a long time. The Cooler Concepts pasta pot is crafted from high-quality stainless steel, which is known for its durability and resistance to rust, stains, and odors. This construction ensures that the pot will maintain its performance for years to come, even with frequent use. After cooking a delicious pasta meal, the last thing you want to do is spend time scrubbing the pot. Fortunately, the Cooler Concepts pasta pot is dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Simply toss it in the dishwasher and you're done. No need to worry about lingering stains or food residue. The high-quality stainless steel resists staining and remains easy to clean, even after heavy use. If you value convenience and efficiency, this feature is a huge benefit. You'll spend more time enjoying your meal and less time cleaning up afterward. Conclusion: this Cooler Concepts stainless steel pasta pot with locking strainer lid is a must-have for anyone who loves cooking pasta at home. Its innovative twist and lock design makes draining a breeze, while its generous 5.5 quart capacity ensures you can cook for the whole family. Whether you're making a big pot of spaghetti, or preparing a delicious soup, this pot will serve all your cooking needs with ease and convenience. With its durable stainless steel construction and easy-to-clean design, it's the perfect addition to any kitchen. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.